Hi, thank you for looking at my channel. I recently did a video on law of attraction, and I said I would keep you up to date when other things that I've manifested came into action. So the other day I was on my laptop and I was writing for my blog, and I thought, oh, I know what, I will do how my journey started, which was the rubber duck test. The reason why I probably do that is because I'm thinking of the rubber ducky, like you you squeeze it and it goes or whatever, I don't know. So that's probably why I do that hand movement, by the way. So anyhow, go back. So I was there and I was writing down ideas when they came into my mind. And I thought, oh, that's a really good one, the duck test. So I'm just going to show you. That's what I wrote down. I don't know if you can see that properly, duck test, and some of the other ideas. So I started writing the blog post up for the rubber duck test about how you can manifest it. I started Googling pictures that I'm able to use. I use Canva sometimes if I haven't got a particular image that I can use for my blog. So I wrote that down, like I say. So once I've done that, I started writing up the blog post about how you need to see it, feel it. Like I said, what it sounds like, or does it make a squeaky kind of noise? I don't know, that's silly. And then I cracked on with my day. It's not something I needed. I just feel really happy at the time because I just had this feeling of wanting to share the story. So anyhow, the next day I was in the shops and they had a raffle. And it was only £1 for 3 tickets, and I thought, oh, that's really good. We'll give that a go. I generally always, if there's a raffle for charity, I will always have a go. So 3 tickets for £1, not bad, and it won. And I'll show you. This is what we won. The aromatherapy duck duo. There is the rubber duck. This happened the very next day. How spooky is that? It's not spooky, it's just law of attraction working. So I was like, wow. And absolutely gobsmacked actually when I was in the shop, because it just made me really smile. I was like, okay, can't tell the lady what I'm on about because she wouldn't have a clue. Maybe she would, I don't know. So really happy that happened, and I wanted to share it with you. So obviously I then had to change the blog slightly about how you're manifesting it, because it was based on my journey of how it all started, and then obviously from me winning it, I kind of added that in as well. That should actually be live now. Maybe later today I'll be publishing that. So yeah, wrote it down, thought about it, like I said, was writing about it, was seeing the actual rubber ducky in my mind because I was looking for it on Google for the images. Did I think about how it felt? Yes, I did. And the noise that they make? Yes. And how was my feeling? Feelings have so much to do with manifesting. I felt great. Great that I was wanting to share an experience. So that's me. Like I say, I will be doing more videos of when I manifest things. So I want to share this one with you. I think the rubber duck test is a really good one to do because you will not have limited beliefs like you will do if you say ask for money. There will be some stuff going on in your subconscious mind about how you can't manifest money. So I'd always recommend the rubber ducky first because it's random. Okay, I mean this came to me within 24 hours. That's how I started my whole journey. I'm gonna say, I think I've been doing this since a teenager, thinking about it. Yeah, teenager, so quite a while. give the rubber ducky test a challenge, and please, 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 when you've manifested the rubber ducky, let me know. I love to hear from you. So please, please, please come back, leave me a comment, interact with me, tell me what's going on. Did it work? Why didn't it work? I might be able to help you with that. So give it a go and let me know. Speak to you soon. Bye.